Adding a card to your Chase Bank digital wallet, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, is a convenient way to make secure payments using your mobile device. Here's how you can add a card to your Chase Bank digital wallet. Open the digital wallet app. Depending on your device, open the Apple Wallet, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay app. Tap on Add Card. Look for the option to add a new card and tap on it. Select credit or debit card. Choose the type of card you want to add. Enter card information. Follow the prompts to enter your card details manually or use your device's camera to scan the card. Verify card. After entering the card details, Chase Bank may require you to verify your identity. This could involve receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Agree to terms and conditions. Review and accept the terms and conditions for using your card in the digital wallet. Set as default payment method. If you're adding multiple cards, you can choose to set one as your default payment method. Start using your card. Once the card is successfully added, you can start using it to make purchases wherever contactless payments are accepted by simply holding your device near the card reader.